I paid Graham Stephan $169 for his finance mentorship program, and here are my thoughts. So I started watching Graham about 3 years ago, probably when he had less than 100,000 subscribers. Now his main channel is up to 3 million subscribers. His second channel, The Graham Stephan Show, is up to about 800,000 subscribers, and the Iced Coffee Hour podcast is at about 170,000 subscribers. So it's pretty clear this guy is the king of finance on YouTube, and he knows how to grow his channels properly through amazing and valuable content. He uploads a video every day, and his content covers all types of different finance topics like cryptocurrency, real estate, stocks, side hustles, passive income, and more. As you can probably tell, I'm a pretty big fan of Graham Stephan, and when I saw that he came out with a mentorship program, I was very excited to give it a try and see if I could learn some new things to help grow my channel and meet my financial goals. Now, I want to be very honest with you guys, this is not a sponsored video, and I wasn't paid to say any of these things. I bought his mentorship on my own behalf with my own money. Also, as you can see, I don't have any affiliate links in the description for signing up with this course, so you don't have to worry about that either. Now, moving on to why I decided to purchase this program and how I feel about it today. Now, it's pretty obvious that Graham knows how to make awesome content for his channels and keep those subscribers and viewers coming in. I'm obviously pretty aware of that, right? So my main goal from his program was to be able to make better videos for my YouTube channel, in the end helping to grow my channel a lot faster, as currently it's not growing as fast as I would like. Another benefit that I saw before signing up was that it was advertised as being able to ask Graham any question you want about any subject. So if I was interested in asking something about real estate or stock market investing, I could do that as well, because he's also very known for real estate investing, and that's actually how he ended up getting started with everything, becoming a real estate agent and eventually making YouTube videos on how to help others become financially free. So essentially how the program works is every other Thursday you will be meeting with Graham Stephan through Zoom video calls at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, Jack, his assistant who edits most of the videos and does a lot of the thumbnails and other work on the channels, does a Zoom call every other Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. Now, mind you, the call is not just between you and Graham. There's other people in the Zoom as well. However, you will all get a chance to ask Graham a question about any subject you would like. When I saw this, I assumed that I would only be able to ask him one question, maybe two if I'm lucky, since I guessed that there would be 100+ people in the group just due to how big he is on YouTube. However, to my surprise, in each meeting I was at, there was less than 20 people in the call, and he stayed for about an hour so I could ask him all types of different questions about different topics. In fact, he actually looked up my channel, watched some of the videos, and gave his opinion on the content, thumbnails, and titles.
Oh my God!
This was a huge help for me because it gave me amazing insight from someone who knows how to grow YouTube channels rapidly. Of course, the group could grow in size. However, for now, it doesn't seem to be too overcrowded. So you definitely have enough time to ask him any question you want and maybe fix some problems that you've been having with your YouTube channel or just your financial life in general. Another thing that I liked about this mentorship program is that everyone in the group usually has their own YouTube channels as well, or just really into entrepreneurship. So you can definitely learn a lot from these people too and gain a lot of value from different opinions and experiences shared by these people. Also, remember the questions that others have for Graham and Jack, you might also have the same or similar questions that you want answered. So you can actually get lots and lots of different answers to different things in one session. So that's why I say to make sure to stay for the whole session, just because even though you may not be asking questions all throughout, other people might be asking things that you want to know the answer to as well. Also, it's important to remember that when you sign up for this program, you also get access to the private Facebook group and the Discord, which gives you even more valuable knowledge and lets you collaborate with the other members about different subjects like content creation, stocks, and real estate. What I do is I actually post my thumbnails and titles in the private Facebook group before uploading my videos, just to get some feedback on what they think of the thumbnail and the title, and if I can improve it before I actually end up posting it. Now, I was really shocked when I saw the price of $169 per month, because honestly, I thought it would be a lot more. I'm not saying that's a small amount of money, but you have to understand that Graham Stephan is pretty much the king of finance on YouTube, and he's created so many successful channels that are getting tons and tons of views and new subscribers every day. So truly, I thought it would be much more like $400 or $500 per month. But the thing we love about Graham is he's absolutely not greedy, and he barely plugs any of his courses or products that he sells. And to be honest, he could probably be making a lot more money if he plugged them as much as other YouTubers did, but he cares more about giving free value to his viewers, and that's why everyone keeps coming back. If I had to pick one thing that I wish was different about this group, it's that Graham did the calls every Thursday instead of every other Thursday. However, he is very busy, right? This guy's posting a video every day, so I definitely get that. And if you get all the questions you want together, you should have enough time to clear everything up in the 2 times that you get to talk to him throughout the month, and the other 2 times that you get to talk to Jack, his assistant, because he also knows a lot about finance and how to make amazing videos that people enjoy watching. Now guys, I know this whole video has sounded like an ad for his mentorship program, but I'm just truly so happy with my decision to purchase it, because I feel that it has helped me so much to make not only better content for you guys, but also just become smarter in terms of real estate investing and stock market investing. I learned when and how to buy real estate as a beginner, and if I should continue investing heavily into the stock market as I have been doing for the last year or so. Now remember, it's technically not financial advice he's giving, since he's not a financial advisor. However, it's pretty obvious he has an amazing amount of knowledge on all types of financial topics, so you're definitely going to learn something from this program, and you'll most likely come out feeling pretty happy with your decision to purchase it. To me, experience and knowledge are some of the most important things in life, and that's why I'm willing to pay for it, especially if it's selling at such a low price. Now let me know in the comments what you think of Graham Stephan, and if you have tried his mentorship program or if you plan to in the future, because I'm really interested in seeing if you find value in it as well. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also, if you want to get a free stock valued up to $4,500, use the link below to sign up with Wealthsimple Trade, and when you deposit $100, they will give you a free stock that can be worth quite a bit of money. Also, I have another great deal for you. If you want to earn up to 10% per year on your cryptocurrency, use the link below to sign up with BlockFi, and you can actually get a welcome offer up to $250 for free just for depositing. So let me know how that goes and how much you guys end up getting. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day and peace.